meaning of life really is nasa hands nung may buhay. Life is what you make it.
Yeah.
So,
Yung naisip ko na question is very timely kasi siya sa pinagdadaanan ko ng family namin. Pero, and then relating to what I shared a while ago, nung times na depressive state ako, naalala ko lang noon, ang number one na question ko talaga yung what is the meaning of life. Naalala ko, parang napaka-philosophical or parang ang lalim or ano. Pero yan, magbibigay ako ng twist with that question. Pero that's my main question. For you, what is the meaning of life? And at the same time, if you're able to answer that question, how would you apply that question to how you live your life right now? What's the practical way of applying that answer to your life? Does that make sense? Mahirap kasi from a very deep question.
Egg theory.
Yeah, yun yung challenge.
Alam mo yan.
Yun yung challenge kasi dun sa question, sir, na pag tinanong mo kasi yung meaning of life, para nasa philosophical stuff lang siya. Pero that's the challenge there. Once you were able to have your own answer with that question, how will you make it practical?
First na nakaisip ko, what is the meaning of life and how do I... Kasi sa belief ko meron kasi yung egg theory na parang nung napanood ko yung short video niya, parang siya yung tama. Hindi naman sa tama, pero parang siya yung na-believe ko na most lovable or kung bibelieve niya, you'll be a better person. Ang egg theory kasi, lahat tayo isang tao. Or hindi tao, isang being. So parang we will go back kung sa mga other religions, we will go back to the supreme consciousness. Ang sinasabi, we will return. We are just waves in an ocean. Sa Buddhist is we are only one life is a wave in the ocean. It starts, makikita mo lang yung wave, di ba? Makikita mo naman yung wave. So kung nag-stop yung wave, hindi naman mawawala yung laman ng wave, babalik lang siya sa ocean. So sa egg theory, sinasabi na nasa loob pa, yung earth, nasa loob lang tayo, egg lang siya. So lahat tayo, may experience lahat ng experiences mo. So ikaw, may time na, yun nga, parang reincarnation, and may time na ako, yung consciousness ko, pupunta sa'yo. So lahat ng may experience mo, may experience. So lahat ng may experience ni Sir Kevin, may experience ni Kaz, may experience, yun yung pero separate pa rin tayo. We're separate, different waves tayo. Diba? Kakaibang waves. But we're in the one ocean. So, in a sense, practicality, in a practical sense, kung iniisip mo na ikaw rin yung, so lahat ng ginagawa mo sa ibang tao, gagawin mo rin sa sarili mo. So, isipin mo na, yun nga, isa sa mga ng religion, diba? What you do unto others, diba?
The golden rule.
The golden rule, di ba? So, kung isipin mo na ikaw din yan So, kung sasaktan mo rin, hindi natin alam kung sinaktan mo na siya. Karma, yung karma, di ba? Sasaktan, mababalik din siya. So, yun yung belief or yun, what is life para sa akin. We are one person in getting all the experiences we need to become the supreme consciousness. And when we become the supreme, we don't know what that means. As long as we all experience what we need to do, kailangan na-experience lahat. Parang nagle-level up. Kung nag-level up ka na, mag-a-ascend, rebirth, So, yun yung what is life para sa akin. We are just a wave in the ocean.
Yung answer ko naman dun sa question na rin. Ako, honestly speaking, I was never searching for the meaning of life. Parang hinayaan ko lang na yung life mismo yung magbigay ng meaning. Ang hirap explain pero parang ganun siya. For me,
life will unfold.
Life will unfold on its own. Tapos parang, yun na, doon mo na ma-define kung anong talagang meaning niya. Very short answer, pero
parang i-unfold, parang sa daming experience, i-unfold mo.
when it worked for you. So that's the practical
Yeah.
side of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can say naman na it really worked for you. I mean, looking up to you na as a very positive person, na very support sa other people, that's really something. And because of that definition of life of yours, it's something nice.
I think, para sa akin yung meaning of life. In general, I think, ano lang siya, siyang napaka-importante opportunity as a whole. Although, syempre lahat tayo, hindi naman natin alam yung gagawin natin sa buhay natin. I think yung life, in general, is an opportunity to do something na mapapasaya ka, in a sense. Like, hindi mo naman kailangan ng tamang purpose. Hindi mo naman kailangan na ma-figure out at this moment kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Parang medyo binaback up niya yung sinabi mo na yung meaning ng life is something na hindi mo sinesearch. I think medyo similar siya sa pagtingin ko sa life. Kasi, alam mo, nakikita mo yung iba, nag-e-enjoy sila sa bagay na hindi mo naman nakikita i-enjoy mo. Alam mo. So for me nga, life is an opportunity. Although hindi mo alam kung anong opportunity yun. Parang, for me, it's an opportunity to experience life itself. Does that make sense? Parang,
We're a wave.
totoo din.
We're a wave.
Pero, the meaning of life really is nasa hands nung may buhay. Life is what you make it.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Life is an opportunity.
In general.
Nagpa-pound yung heart ko. Grabe.
I think the meaning is life is opportunity.
Yan lang, men. Kaya lang, siguro lang din, para lang din maisawid ko sa inyo yung bakit nagkaroon ako ng frustration when it comes to finding its meaning. Kasi, di ba, biograd. Ano bang bio? Biology, study of life.
Study of life.
So, dun pa lang, parang nakakaano na you have to study what is life. Kahit, yun nga, for 4 years or 5 years ako sa college, dinedefine namin what is life to the scientific level. Ito ang life, ito ang life, ito ang life. So, to the multicellular level, cellular level.
Ano yung abortion?
Yeah, so we have a strong stance about that. Then, abortion, mga ganun na bagay. So, it was a struggle for me. What's that definition? Pero yun nga, kaya talagang ang heart ko nung palpitate ako nung una yung kay Kebs na sabi niya na, yun nga, on his part, what work is for him not to look for it, for the meaning of it, kasi it's very vast, or you can't comprehend it. So, and that supports your egg theory, na, ano siya, yung ocean is very vast,
Yeah.
and
Life is just a wave.
we're like waves in a very vast entity, diba? Tapos, ito, kaya mas lalong nag-pound yung heart ko kasi ito na yung nilive by ko nung parts na medyo stable na ako. Yun nga, yung kay Kaz, na ang sabi kasi ni Tony Robbins, the meaning of life is what you give it.
So, you make it.
You make the meaning of it, of life. So, galing-galing. So, yun yung ano. So, ever since nung na-encounter ko yung thought na yun or mindset na yun na it's what you give, the meaning of it is how you give, or the opportunity that is given to you. Yun, mas naging intentional ako sa mga ginagawa ko sa buhay. Mas I felt na I have control over my decisions. So, yeah.
Again, this is Man of Culture. Thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And if you have thoughts, comments, and future topics that we can discuss, comment below.